Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're making one of the most refreshing dishes you'll ever try from Persian cuisine. It's cool, it's light, and it's absolutely perfect for a hot summer day. So let's jump right in. You'll need dried bread, a little kashk or plain yogurt, cucumber, fresh herbs, some walnuts, raisins, ice, and a few simple seasonings. Let's start with the herbs. Finely chop the basil, the chives, the green onions, and a few radishes. Take your time here, because fresh herbs are what give this dish its incredible aroma. Now dice the cucumbers into small, bite-sized cubes. Then finely chop half an onion. It might sound simple, but it adds that authentic Persian flavor that makes all the difference. Next, the walnuts. Give them a rough chop. You don't want them too fine. Those little crunchy pieces add amazing texture and a rich, nutty flavor. Now toss in a handful of raisins. That little touch of sweetness balances everything beautifully. And now, the star of the recipe, the dough. Pour it generously over all the ingredients, then add a spoonful of kashk. It makes the soup creamier, richer, and gives it that signature Persian taste. If you can't find kashk, don't worry. Plain yogurt works really well too. Now give everything a good mix, nice and gentle. Since we're making this for a hot summer day, let's add a few ice cubes. That makes it extra cold, extra refreshing, and honestly, even more delicious. Now season with a little salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and finally, a sprinkle of dried mint. That fresh mint aroma. It's the finishing touch that brings everything together. And that's it. We're done. Now simply break the dried bread into your serving bowl. Pour the chilled mixture right over the top. And it's ready to enjoy. It's one of those dishes that's incredibly simple, but once you try it, you'll understand why it's been loved in Persian homes for generations. If this is your first time discovering Persian cuisine, this is a wonderful place to start. I really hope you give it a try. And if you do, let me know what you think. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Before we go, just a quick note for anyone watching from outside Iran. Doogh is a traditional Persian yogurt drink. And kashk is a fermented dairy product with a rich, tangy flavor. If you can't find either one, simply mix plain yogurt with a little cold water, and you'll have a great substitute.